most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackara.
Good morning, everybody. Great to be with all of you here on a Tuesday, and it is going to be another very hot day. We'll get into the heat in just a bit. Let's start, though, with this morning, and we've got clear skies overhead. This is downtown Mechanicsburg, and temperatures are warm, 73 degrees, a dew point of 68, so it's muggy out as well. Just as we promised it would be. Get used to that. We're going to have some muggy nights here over the next few until we head into the end of the week, and then things will change. But right now, things are quiet, and we don't see any clouds overhead. There's going to be the chance for some storms today, much like yesterday. A lot of us missed out again. We did pick up some rain in Cumberland and Dauphin counties, but it wasn't a lot. Temperatures are in the 70s this morning and still in the 80s for Hagerstown and Baltimore, D.C., Philly's at 82, New York at 82. So very, very warm here. And these urban heat islands get created when, the cities have, at least a degree or two extra because of the bodies and the buildings and the macadam and all of that packed together. And that's why on a night like this, most of these big cities remain in the 80s. Dew points are high as well in the upper 60s right now. So, while it may not be oppressive, although Philly has a dew point of 75, it is muggy, and that's where we expect things to be. On the sticky side again here this afternoon, dew points getting very close to 70 degrees. But when temperatures are in the upper 90s, it's hard to discern that. So it is just going to be another hot and uncomfortable day. And by the way, we did it yesterday. We hit 99. That tied the record from back in 1997. So the record now will officially be this year, 2024. And that's the other thing. As hot as it has been, and we are on track to have one of our hottest summers, we've not set any records, really, for the most part. I think there may have been one or two. This one ties it, but it's not like we're shattering records every day. And today we think we'll be close to 99, but the record is 104. So that record will stand here today, even though it could even be hotter than yesterday. And we've got Reach Cyber Charter looking out over I-83 this morning as traffic moves along. I'm going to go 99 degrees again today. Certainly we can tie yesterday. It would not surprise me if we get to 100 today officially at the airport. That has been a while since we've done that. Hot and humid here today out ahead of our next cold front, which will move through tomorrow. So we're going to be in a very favorable air mass for storms. The question is, do we have a trigger for them? And I would argue today we don't. It doesn't mean they can't build up in the heat and humidity, but we need a trigger, and tomorrow we have that. The best chance for rain this week will be with some storms here on Wednesday thanks to a cold front. Still a great night to get outside, though, and take a swim. There could be, again, an isolated storm like last night, but A, most of us didn't see one, and B, those that did, it was pretty garden variety. There was a severe thunderstorm warning last evening, but again, after about 20 minutes, you can get right back to what you were doing. Temperatures will be in the 90s here through the evening. It's going to be that hot today. So Precision Cast doesn't really love the chance of storms. A few other models do, so I'll mention it, but this is kind of what I expect. It's almost going to be too hot to storm. There may be one or two, and again, we will be thankful. If it can storm in a few places this afternoon and evening, we'll take it because we want the rain. Tomorrow looks like a broken line of storms again, so while it is the best chance of storms this week, that doesn't mean anybody's guaranteed for rain tomorrow either. So just keep that in mind. The rain showers could linger into Wednesday night. Thursday looks like a nicer day. Lots of sunshine. It's going to be cooler and much less humid by Thursday as well. So this is what we need to focus on here now, and that would be rainfall amounts. Notice today the chances are very slim. Tomorrow we can get some rain, but I want to caution you, look at the amounts Precision Cast is spitting out. Less than 1/10 of an inch in Harrisburg, less than 1/4 of an inch in York, less than 1/2 inch in Lancaster. It's the best chance to get some rain, but we're not talking about a lot. The extended outlook shows the humidity is going to peak tomorrow. It is going to be a lot less as we move into the weekend. There is a period of cooler and less humid air that's coming. But once this front dips to the south, it does look mainly dry here through the weekend. We'll mention this tries to sneak back north on Saturday. There may be a stray shower. There just doesn't look like we're going to get a soaking rain. We desperately need it, and unfortunately it's not coming. 99 today, hot and humid. We will leave the mention of a stray storm in. I think it's a slim chance. Partly cloudy, warm and muggy tonight, and then looking ahead, it will be a little cooler tomorrow, but it's still going to be hot at 96 degrees. And again, the best chance to see a storm will be tomorrow, but it doesn't guarantee you one. 87 on Thursday, less humid. 85 Friday looks like a nice day. 85, very pleasant to end the weekend. Over the weekend, again, mainly dry. A mix of clouds and sunshine. So, today or tomorrow, you got to hope your backyard can get a storm. We had a few yesterday, but it's just not enough. So, we just don't see it happening.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, that's all we
right.
can do.
Thank you, Brett. We'll be right back.